Hello students. In this class of business statistics, I will be discussing the object of statistics, nature of statistics and different functions of statistics. In our previous class, I have already discussed about the introduction of statistics like the definitions of statistics, characteristics of statistics. Today in this class, I will be discussing first of all the object of statistics. The object of statistics is to make sense out of facts and figures, to probe the unknown, and to throw light on various problems. To attain this objective, the data are collected for comparison and are interpreted, and suggestions are given to do something. According to Boddington, the ultimate end of statistical research is to enable comparison to be made between past and present results with a view to ascertaining the reason for changes which have taken place and the effect of such changes in the future. Then we come to another topic, that is nature of statistics. Statistics is science as well as arts. Science is a branch of knowledge which possesses the following characteristics. Science is a systematic study of knowledge whose methods and laws are interrelated. Scientific laws are continuous, of general use. It gives importance to cause and effect relationship. It is capable of future forecasting on the basis of past and present facts. All these characteristics are present in statistics. As such, it is called science. It is a systematic body of knowledge. Its laws are certain and are of universal use like other scientific laws. For example, law of large numbers, future forecasting for population value, etc. So, it is, if science is knowledge, art is activity. The characteristics of art is the skill of handling facts so as to attain a specified objective. It not only describes the facts but also prescribes the ways and means to attain objectives. It also helps in making inferences logically and drawing conclusions. So, from this angle, we may say statistics is art also. It involves the application of a given method to achieve facts, derive results, and to use them for suitable action. So, we can say statistics is science as well as art. Now we come to another topic, that is functions of statistics. The first function of statistics is to simplify complex data. The raw data collected are complex and unwieldy. It is a prime function of statistics to simplify the large number of unsystematic data and to make them understandable. The second function of statistics is to compare simplified data and establish relationship. Statistics facilitate comparison and interpretation by arraying numerical data according to different characteristics possessed by them. These simplified data are used for finding out averages, dispersion, correlation, and their coefficients to make them comparable. For example, comparison of per capita income of two countries can be made with the help of averages and coefficients, and uneven distribution of income can be ascertained. The second function of statistics is to formulate policies. Statistical methods help in formulating policies in social, economic, and business fields. It also helps in the formulation of policies and drawing inferences in the field of planning, taxation, foreign trade, and wine prohibition, etc. Statistics help in the evaluation of results of present policies. For example, numerical analysis only can tell the extent of success of liberalization and privatization policies of the government. So, this I discussed was the third function of statistics, that is formulation of policies. Now, I come to the fourth function of statistics, that is to enlarge individual experience and knowledge. Dr. Bowley has written, the proper function indeed of statistics is to enlarge individual experience. Statistics enlarges individual experiences like other sciences. Many fields of knowledge would have remained closed to mankind but for scientific statistical techniques. Without proper use of statistical methods, the knowledge of mankind is incomplete and inadequate. Proper knowledge about the related subjects, for example, economics, business administration, sociology, etc., for an investigator in the field of applied statistics is also essential. A statistician obtains various kinds of experiences from statistical investigations. For example, a study of socio-economic position of workers working in an industry, the statistician shall require some preliminary knowledge about the workers. He will be required to take wise decisions at times. The fifth function is to analyze and indicate future trend or to make estimation. Various statistical methods not only analyze the present facts but also aids in future predictions. This function is performed by statistical techniques of extrapolation, regression, and forecasting. In fact, future plans of economic developments are based on future predictions. Statistical predictions are more real than the casual predictions. Dr. Bowley has rightly told, a statistical estimate may be good or bad, accurate or the reverse, but in almost all cases it is likely to be more accurate than a casual observer's impression. The sixth function of statistics is to test the laws of other sciences. Statistical methods are immensely useful in formulating and testing hypotheses and then to develop the new theories, economics, sociology, biology, astrology, etc. And many more are obliged to statistics for it. Only on the basis of statistical data, Malthus theory of population, quantity theory of money, etc., would essentially be revised. It is not an exaggeration to say that development of science could be possible only with the use of statistical methods. Now we come to the seventh function of statistics, that is to throw light on magnitude of problems. Conclusions can be drawn without the aid of statistics, but there is always a question mark regarding their reliability. For example, a simple statement that the population of India has increased very rapidly during 1981 and 1991 is not at all effective. But when it is stated that population of India was 68.33 crores in 1981, whereas it increased to 84.63 crores in 1991, it becomes more effective and reliable. A famous statistician, Calvin, has rightly observed, when you can measure what you are speaking about and express it in numbers, you know something about it. But when you cannot measure and cannot express in numbers, your knowledge is of a meager and unsatisfactory kind. So, we discussed about various functions of statistics. First of all, we discussed about object of statistics. Then we discussed about nature of statistics, that statistics is art as well as science. It has qualities of both. And then we discussed about functions of statistics. I hope you all understood. Thank you for this class.